Good morning vlog. We are currently exporting today's video and I'm late on that, but we're you know what? It's fine. We're making progress. We're on time. Clover has been very bored for the last hour. He has brought a ball in here. So we're probably going to go downstairs after I make some breakfast and I can eat some breakfast while I throw his little ball, because I think that I keep saying the B word and he is like, what? I think I'm going to grab some breakfast so that he can be entertained down there, because it's too wet to go outside. It's raining all day and he does not like to go out in the rain. Part of me considered for like 1 second, what if we have a rainy day at the dog park? And then I'm like, really, Kay? Stop it. So I'm gonna make a little like a small breakfast hash. I've got one potato here that probably needs to be cooked in the next week or so. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that up. I'm gonna par cook it in the microwave because that's what I do. I can't be waiting for a potato to cook at all. Maybe put some onion, some red pepper in there or something, onion powder, all that stuff. Make a little hash, and I'll make a couple of eggs in an egg cooker. I am on board with that egg cooker. Listen, I'm not a cooking channel, and normally I'm not like, get a machine that does like one thing. Listen, this thing, it's like 20 bucks, maybe even like 18 bucks, and it does what it needs to do perfectly. It makes perfect soft-boiled eggs without any like boiling water, any of that stuff. You just put the water in there and it like steams it. It's perfect. And it comes with this little like piercing pin so that your eggs don't like explode. Just comes with this little measuring cup, so you put as much water in there and you can put it in the little reservoir. This is not an instructional video, but I just want to tell you that this is the most amazing little device if you like eggs. And it's very cute. So, you know, that doesn't, no points against it for cuteness. And I guess they changed the alarm on this because I was watching some Amazon videos, reviews, and they made me laugh out loud. This review from Hammy Buys, it says, I feel like every review should have opened with "this thing screeches, would have been good to know. I thought the timer will sound meant a pleasant little ding or chime. I would have been okay with a short elephant trumpet, but instead, this tiny mighty cooker will put out a continuous, shrill, miniature siren. What is it, Lassie? Is it the world's smallest hurricane flood warning? Are tornadoes coming? Is there a fire? No, it's your eggs. They're cooked because some designing genius thought, you know what folks want to hear as they rouse gently from a slumber and prepare their breakfast in the lazy morning? A shrill AF non-stop siren that'll raise your cortisol and maybe gnaw a little bit into your mental health. This is my favorite review of this. It says, I guess it does make eggs. It's $20. It's a fun size that fits well on the counter. The poached eggs, not gonna lie, come out a bit ugly looking, but I just want eggs, so I'll keep it for now until I'm rich enough to afford a better one, and also therapy for the siren that haunts my dreams. Oh my god! I genuinely want to meet this person and hang out with them because they seem very fun. Anyway, the thing delivers. It's very fun. Clover, I will get to you. Don't worry. These are probably a little more underdone than I'd like. I don't know what I did differently today, but we'll cut them in half and see what is happening. I did, ooh. No, actually they're beautiful. They're just not well, they weren't that well peeled. All right, I got some homemade, everything but the bagel seasoning. I'm gonna pop that right on top of there. And I'm gonna chow down. This keep me very full until Probably like 2 o'clock. Update on the Click and Grow. It's really, you can't see much, but we have germination on most of the things here, except for the cilantro and the kale are taking a long time, but everything else has germinated. The peas, the lettuce again, 2 basils, and 2 tomato plants. How just adorable is that? Yay, this thing works. I woke up this morning and I was like, oh no, it's so dramatic. Literally, it looks like it's dead, but I'm gonna water it and I'm gonna come back a few hours later and you're gonna see the dramatic transformation. He's been napping on this couch for a few hours because I've been filming and editing for the last few hours. I still have some more editing to do, but he's been here napping and he's so cute. He looked really tired. I really tired him out this morning downstairs playing the little BALL down there with him. So look, oh my God, look at the toe bean. Look at that toe bean. Is that, okay, if you have a paw in your house, do you just love toe beans? Is toe beans like the favorite part of your dog or cat? Because like, look at that toe bean. Look at how cute the paw is. I'm sorry to touch your foot, but like, it's just so cute. He's like, get off my foot. Still haven't opened the Yamazaki boxes yet, but we've cleaned the floor. I've done most of the dishes. I still have some mess going on there, but let's take a look at the peace lily and see how it's doing. And I think it perked back up. Yeah, I think she perked back up. Let me turn on the light. Et resurrexit. She has come back from the dead and looking more beautiful than ever. You're back, baby. Peace lilies are so fun because they're so dramatic like that. Like, tell me it didn't look like it was dead. It looked like it was dead. It's fireplace time, and then we'll open the Yamazaki stuff and put that away. Okay, so I ordered some stuff from Yamazaki during the Black Friday sale. My husband has been telling me that we need to get a towel rack for the downstairs bathroom because it doesn't have one. I think this is it. Here it is. It's like the slim towel hanger. It's pretty cool. Here it is. Here's the towel rack. So I'll put this downstairs and maybe I'll put some towels on it. Okay, I got 3 things in this box. I got a little over the door hook for hanging my clothes. This is mostly for when I have concerts and I'm putting out my clothes before the concert. Oh, I have a concert on Friday. Yes! But it's for over the door and it like flips down. Ooh. And then you can put your hangers here. So I like to hang all of my little blacks, my concert black clothes out before I, you know, get dressed. And then I got a new trash can for our tiny upstairs bathroom, which I'm redoing, but this trash can is gonna fit a lot better than the one that's already in there. The one that was already in there I bought for our last house and it looked awesome in there, and now it does not really fit in the place where it is now. So this one, I'll just put a trash bag in and put it in. Ooh, it's perfect. Oh my gosh, it's perfect for in there. I'm so excited. Woo! Nice. Just a little bathroom trash can, that's it. Very simple, nothing too complicated. Oh, wow. Goes in there like that. Oh. Oh, that's good. See, it like doesn't show from the outside. It's just like, boop, that's worth it. So this is where the can will live. Bathroom right next to the toilet there. That's nice. So it fits there better than that other trash can does, and it looks like it belongs. We got the plunger and the brush, and then like this guy. So it's much better. And then last but certainly not least is the shoe tower. Cool. It fits right in this corner here. That's kind of shocking, but yeah. So here's the little shoe rack that can come out when guests are here or when certain people are breaking the rules about the shoes. So here it is. And I guess I can move it if I really want to. You know, it can be kind of right here. It doesn't actually take up a lot of visual space or, you know, actual space, but, you know, it's cute. There. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Put your shoes there. Shoes up there. Yeah. I say success. Okay, it is almost 7 o'clock and it's almost time, I suppose, to shut it down. So I'm gonna try. Probably not going to. Probably just gonna edit this, get it up for tomorrow, and concentrate on concert stuff for Friday and Sunday. But I think I'm gonna need a self-care day, and I think that might be tomorrow or Friday. Probably Friday. Friday I have a concert. That's self-care, isn't it? No, it's fine. I've been just trying to stay on top of Vlogmas, and it's keeping me busy for sure, but we got a lot of stuff done today in the house, so that's good. Clover's, he was back there. Is he still back there? Yeah, he's back there. Can you see? You can see a little bit of Clover. Gosh, you can see his little dot on his head. Oh no, that's his face. That's the Clover face. All right, greasy face. I'll leave you with cozy Clover vibes. See you tomorrow.